Just to let you know, this is my last go game. That's like not broken. Don't know if you, okay, yeah, you can see it right here that it's broken. This is, and that therefore all my glow greens are broken. So what do you think I should use for another cup?